Since the launch of the Green Legacy Initiative in 2019 by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, Ethiopia has made considerable progresses in terms of enhancing its national green coverage, which has grown from 70.2% by then to 23.6% in 2023. The current rainy season as well, the launch of the initiative in the rainy season has begun with planting millions of seedlings in Addis Ababa, which has also been implemented across the nation. Accordingly, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, First Ladies in Nashtayacho and staff of the Office of the Prime Minister have planted seedlings in recent days. Community members drawn from Harar and Konso have also participated at the planting activity held on the terrace they built inside Jaka project using their own indigenous skills to preserve soil. In that regard, the eucalyptus trees in the area have been replaced by indigenous tree seedlings. During the planting, the Premier stated that this year's Green Legacy program will be carried out differently from the previous ones.
This year's Green Legacy program will be carried out differently from the previous ones. This particular place used to be covered with eucalyptus trees, which devastated local trees. To solve the problem, individuals from Harar and Konso have worked on terraces inside the Jaka project in order to stop the problems with soil erosion in the surrounding area. This has helped to address the difficulties that have been hindrances to plant seedlings in the area due to soil erosion. Indigenous plants, including the edible ones, such as apple trees, have been planted.
Prime Minister Abiy further underscored the need to expand similar indigenous knowledge that exists in other areas across the nation, commending the farmers of Harar and Konso for completing the work on the terraces in short time.
Farmers from Konso and Harar have built such terraces in just less than a fortnight. Ethiopia has such an indigenous knowledge in Harar, Konso, and Tigray, which is to reach the rest of the nation. Nevertheless, our projects, such as the riverside ones, are being built by experts coming from foreign countries, which need to change. Our local experts from the areas mentioned can do an excellent work in similar projects across the nation. We have the resources which we can utilize to create a beautiful environment.
The Premier further said that activities are underway to increase the forest coverage of Addis Ababa to 30% with the objective to change the image of the city. The nation has so far planted 32.5 billion seedlings. The country's goal for this year is to reach 40 billion seedlings from its overall target of 40 billion. Accordingly, the nation is working to plant 7.5 billion seedlings this planting cycle.